Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a Barbie inspired makeup look because the movie comes out today. With that being said, let's get started. I'm listening to the Barbie soundtrack, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I decided to incorporate lots of shades of pink since Barbie loves pink and I like pink a lot, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.